In a group of companies, Managing Director Dr. Longjam Dhabali has emphasized the importance of early diagnosis and timely treatment in combating against cancer. He was speaking on the sidelines of extending financial assistance to 2 cancer survivors as part of the observance of the death anniversary of Oinam Ningol, Longjam, Ashalata at Dr. Kamal Hall, located inside the campus of Department of Psychiatry, RIMS, Imphal. The observance was organized by Cancer Warrior Support in collaboration with Share and Care, Ningol. Speaking further, Dhabali asserted that early detection and timely treatment can cure cancer while highlighting that 1 in 10 persons suffers from cancer. He added that advanced cancer treatment options are now available at affordable prices in the hospitals of Manipur, unlike in the past, where cancer patients were used to treat outside the state by expending lots of money.